Welcome to Hermes Explained, where we take an in-depth look at the Hermes Mobile Cobot Series. Unlike traditional industrial robots that are fixed in place, Hermes Mobile Cobots are built to move. Each Hermes system is mounted on a mobile cart, designed for easy repositioning without the need for fork trucks or specialized equipment. This means you can deploy Hermes wherever it's needed. This flexibility allows manufacturers to respond quickly to changing production demands, seasonal shifts, or layout adjustments without costly downtime or reconfiguration. The design of the docking stations and Hermes cart allows workers to shut down, reposition, and start back up in under 5 minutes, reducing the downtime of the system. Mobility doesn't just mean flexibility in deployment. It also makes maintenance easier and more efficient. Technicians can easily move the Hermes system to a dedicated service area or simply reposition them for better access. No need to navigate around bulky, fixed robots. From flexible deployment to simplified maintenance, Hermes Mobile Cobots are designed to move with your business literally and strategically. Reimagine your manufacturing floor with a Hermes Mobile Cobot solution.